In this video, you'll learn how to customize dashboards in ClickUp so they actually match the way you work, not the other way around. We'll walk through where to go, what to click, and how to add or remove widgets so your dashboard shows only what matters most to you. Let's start from inside ClickUp. First, you'll want to navigate to the space that already has a dashboard view. Think of a space as a container for a specific team, project, or area of your work. Each space can have its own dashboard, tailored to what that team or workflow needs. So take a moment to choose the space you care about right now, the one where you want quick visibility into tasks, progress, or workloads. Once you're in that space, look along the top or side navigation for the dashboard view. Depending on your layout and how your workspace is organized, this might appear as a tab, a sidebar item, or a section labeled dashboard. Click into that dashboard view so you're looking at the main dashboard screen with any existing charts, task lists, or summary panels that have already been added. Now that you're in the right place, you're ready to start customizing. Somewhere on this dashboard page, you'll see an option labeled Customize. This might appear as a button, a link, or a menu option, but it will be clearly related to editing or configuring the dashboard. Go ahead and click Customize. When you do, ClickUp will switch the dashboard into an editable mode, giving you access to tools for changing what appears on the screen. With customization mode active, you can start adding or removing widgets to your liking. Widgets are the building blocks of your dashboard. Each widget is a small panel that shows a specific type of information, such as a list of tasks, a chart of tasks by status, a workload view by assignee, or a summary of time tracked. By combining different widgets, you can build a dashboard that gives you a quick high-level overview or a detailed operational board, depending on what you need. To add a widget, look for an option like Add Widget or a plus icon within the customization area. When you click it, you'll see a selection of widget types you can include. Choose the ones that match the metrics and views you care about most. For example, if you're managing a team, you might want widgets showing tasks by assignee, tasks due soon, or progress by status. If you're tracking a specific project, you might prefer a burn down chart or a list of high priority tasks. As you add widgets, you can usually drag and drop them around to rearrange the layout. Take a moment to position them in a way that feels natural, with the most important information near the top or in the most visible area of your dashboard. You can also remove widgets you don't need. Look for a small options menu or close icon on each widget. Clicking this will give you the option to delete or remove that widget from your dashboard. Don't worry, removing a widget only changes the dashboard view. It doesn't delete your actual tasks or data. This is a great way to clean up clutter and keep your dashboard focused. When you're happy with the widgets you've added and removed and with how everything is arranged, simply exit the customization mode. Your changes will be saved automatically. Now, every time you open this dashboard view in your space, you'll see a layout that's tailored to your workflow, making it easier to stay on top of what matters most.